subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily just what you can do if just Google Chrome stop working on your laptop, so how we can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Google Chrome and just open it again. So also just tap those two buttons and just tap on quit, and after just reopen your Google Chrome. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restoring your computer. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just check updates for Google Chrome. So just open Google Chrome, also just tap on Chrome here and just tap on About Google Chrome and just check for updates here. If you have available updates, just tap on Download and Install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your laptop. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.